Good day, everyone, and welcome to yet another episode of my tutorial class. I'm Barrister Taiwo Yini, and today we are looking at a very important topic. So, the topic we are looking at today is the essence of and priority of construction contract documents, and at the same time looking at what the construction contract document is all about. First and foremost, I would like to let you know that the construction project is a very unique project, like you all know. So, and it consists of a lot of stakeholders. So, as a unique industry in itself, there are a lot of documents that are involved. So, unlike other industry where we are dealing with a single document called a contract. So, in construction contract, there are a lot of documents that are submitted. It can span sometimes hundreds of pages or more. So, as it consists, stakeholders ranging from owner to contractor to architects, engineers, suppliers, subcontractors, and the like. And in construction contracts, a lot of investment are involved, a lot of money are involved. So, looking at all these things, looking at the risk involved, uh, disputes are inevitable. So, and when disputes are inevitable, there should be a way by which construction disputes will be resolved, in a swift manner. So that is where priority of construction contract documents is important, because the ability for stakeholders to know how these contract documents are prioritized is the beginning of swift resolution of construction disputes. So, like you all know, or like I said earlier, so we are not talking about a single document, but a lot of people do not know. They thought we are talking about just one document. So, in today's class, I'm going to itemize the document that make up construction contracts when talking about construction contract documents, and also give the order of priority of construction contract documents. So, what are construction contract documents? The following make up construction contract documents. So, we are talking about document like agreement, talking about document like general condition of contract, particular condition of contract, bill of quantities, specifications, drawing, schedules, contract data, and the like. But to streamline this video, I'm going to submerge two topics in one. So I'm going to list the document that make up construction contract documents, and also I'm going to give them order of priority. So the essence of giving them in order of priority is for us to know that understanding that order of priority is important for resolution of dispute, because when dispute arises, or when there is conflict among these contracts, understanding how they are prioritized, or understanding their order of priority will help in resolving the dispute, because the one that is above in the order of hierarchy, the provision of that top document will prevail over that of the one below. So you see why understanding the order of hierarchy is important. So I'll state these documents that make up construction contracts in their order of hierarchy. So treating two topics in one. So what are the documents that I'm talking about, and in their order of hierarchy? So number one is the agreement. The agreement is is very, very important and is one of the most important documents. So, you know, before I move further, there are some documents there are some contract that will in itself, you know, list or states the order of hierarchy of all the document that will be that will be that will make up the contract. Some contracts will list them that the order they want them to follow, but there are some contracts that will not list them. So, and even those contracts that even list them, a lot of people don't even know. They mess up everything. They don't follow the order because they do not know the importance. So that is why this topic, this tutorial is very, very important. So we talk about the agreement. Agreement is number one. The terms and conditions indicated or stated in the agreement must be followed strictly and so, because any deviation from the provision of the agreement. The provision of the agreement is binding on others. So if you deviate from it, then you'll be bound by the provision because it's number one in the hierarchy. And number two is the letter of acceptance. The letter of acceptance is very important because it shows that the client or the owner has accepted the offer presented by the contractor. So the offer that has been presented by the contractor has been accepted by the client, so and is bound by the provision of what he has accepted. So the letter of acceptance is number two on my list. And number three is the letter of tender. So the letter of tender shows the offer that is presented by the contractor. The price, and everything. So and he's bound by it. So the letter of tender is number three on my list. So and number four is the particular condition of contract. The particular condition of contract is also an important and integral part of a construction contract document. So and it is like that we have condition of contract, and condition of contract is divided into two: particular condition and general condition. So that particular condition is like an amendment or modification to the general condition of contract, and it is made specifically to suit the purpose of the project. That is why it is called an amendment to general condition of contract. So and its provision is number four on my list. So between general condition of contract and particular condition of contract, the provision of the particular condition of contract supersede that of the general condition of contract because it is higher in hierarchy from the general condition of contract. And number five is the general condition of contract. So that one is the general condition that has been that affect the whole of the contract. It is general conditions. So and it is number five on my list. And number six is the specification. Specification shows the quality of the material that is used. So that is when we are talking about specification, and it's also an important document that is also considered, most especially when dispute arises. So you look at the specification also, and it is number six on my list. And number seven is the drawings. So the drawing is also an important document when talking about the construction contract document. And in case of disputes or in the course of any issues, the drawings also look into, and it's also very important. And it's number seven. Number eight is schedules. So schedules is also an important contract document, which is also considered when there is issues or when there is any ambiguity between the stakeholders. So they also look at schedules, and schedules consist documents like milestone, contract milestones, talk about progress reports and the like. So all of these make up the schedules. And number nine is any other document. So there are also other documents that might have been explicitly stated in the contract to be an integral part of the construction contract document. So all these stated documents will also be considered when disputes arise. So this see, there are a lot of documents. So, and that is why it is important to understand uh, the hierarchy of these documents. So, understanding this hierarchy or the order of priority will ensure that you know you will be able to solve the disputes or resolve the disputes in a very fast manner. And when this is done, the progress will be able to move forward because disputes will, if not resolved, will ultimately lead to abandonment of project. So, and I believe this tutorial video will be very useful in understanding the documents that make up construction contracts and the in understanding the document that make up construction contracts, and at the same time, know the priority of construction contract document. So, thank you for listening to the video. Bye.